जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर
Periyava Satcharitam, Chapter 30. Devuda, Devuda. Periyava was camping at an Ambal temple in the town of Husur. One day, during his stay, a Lambadi girl came driving a bullock cart and brought it to the gate. She was dressed quaintly and people were watching her curiously. Stopping the cart, she went to its back, and when everyone thought she might be picking up her child, she lifted her husband with ease and stood for a minute looking around with the man on her hands. Then, without waiting for any assistance, she carried him inside. Her husband was suffering from acute diarrhea for many days and vomiting and purging virtually non-stop. Even the doctors had given up hope of his recovery. She heard from someone of Periyava's presence in the town and brought him to the camp. All she knew about Periyava was that he was Devudu, God in Telugu. Calling out Devudu, Devudu, she came inside, not even knowing whom she was searching for. The staffers took her to Periyava. She laid down her husband's prostrate body before Mahaperiyava, folded her hands in a namaskar, and prayed in loud tones to him in her own language, sobbing all the while. No one could understand a word, but her wailing got through to the benevolent, compassionate heart of Periyava. He took an orange in his hand, closed his eyes for a few minutes, and then dropped it in her hands. With tears in her eyes, the woman did a Sashtanga Namaskara, got up, picked up her husband, and went out. She placed him at the back of the cart and drove off. Periyava addressed the staff and others around him. Look at the Pati Bhakti, devotion to the husband of this lady. She has brought him here single-handed. See, that's the enormity of her strength. She reminds us of Savitri, Satyavan's wife in the Puranas. She is verily a Savitri, but I don't know whether He stopped with a gentle smile playing on his lips. The officer standing near said in a voice packed with devotion, Periyava is Yama to Yama himself. He is Kala Kalan for us all. The next day, the Lambadi woman and her husband came walking into the camp and took darshan of Mahaperiyava. Less than 24 hours back, he was in tatters and his future was a big question mark. But now, Devudu, Devudu, cried the girl and prostrated before Periyava with her heart full of gratitude and her eyes bathed in tears. If Satyavan's wife Savitri did penance for her husband's longevity in the forest, the Lambadi woman carried her husband and brought him to ask her Devudu for his life, and Periyava's boundless benevolence gave him back to her intact. It was no ordinary orange fruit he had given her. It was the nectar of life, the Amrit that came with his blessing he gave to her. May you live a Dirga Sumangali. Jai Jai Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara, Mahaperiyava Charanam.
जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर